Welcome back, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. And I hope you all have revised the previous chapter and have also completed the worksheets and assignments being given to you. So now we move on to a new chapter. So let's begin now.
So, students, we will start with chapter number 2, and the name of this chapter is Addition. Students, this is part 1 of chapter number 2. And in this chapter, we will cover the following topics: doubles and near to doubles, and adding 3 two-digit numbers. So, let's begin with the chapter now.
So let's begin with the first page. Dear students, before starting with the chapter, I would like all of you to open page number 26 and hold a pencil in your hand. Dear students, when we put things together, we add them. And the answer that we get is called the sum. Like here, the example that is given here, when we add 5 and 2, we'll get the answer 7. So, the answer here is 7. Now, let's see the next example given here. 32 plus 0. Dear students, when 0 is added to any number, it gives the same number. So, when we add 0 to 32, we will get the same number, that is 32. See the next one, 1 plus 17. Now here, when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number after. For example, you are adding 1 to 17. So, what will be the answer? When you are adding 1 to 17, what is the number that comes after 17? 18. Yes. So, answer will be the number that comes after. So, we will write here 18. Like suppose if you are adding 1 to 6. So, what is the answer? Just see what comes after 6, because we are adding 1 to 6. So, the answer will be 7. So, scholars, now we move on to the next question, that is add with the help of the number line. A number line is given here from number 11 to number 30. We need to add using this number line. So let's begin with the first one. The number that is given here is 13 plus 8. So in 13, we need to add 8. So first in the number line, we will go to 13. Now from the number 13, we need to count forward to 8. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what is the number? 21. So, the answer is 21. And we will write it here in the given space. Now, let's see example C. 23 plus 7. So, how much we have to add to 23? We have to add 7. So, first we will move to 23. And from the number 23, we need to count forward to 7. So, let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what did we get? We got 30. Yes, 30 is the answer. Now, moving on to the next question. Add and remember, begin with the ones. First, we need to arrange the numbers in the given box and then we will start adding them. So, what is the number that is given here? 40 and 20. So, first we will write it in the given box. 4, 0, 40 and 2, 0, 20. So, students, before starting with the addition, remember we need to start from the ones. This side is called the ones and this side is called the tens. So, let's start with the ones. 0 plus 0. So, what is the answer? 0 plus 0? 0 only. So, we will write here 0. Now, second step is to add the tens. 4 and 2. How much is 4 and 2? Yes, you have already learned addition in grade 1. So, 4 and 2 is 6. So, you will write here 6. Same way, see the next example. 32 and 7. Here, the second number is only given 7. There is not only ones digit is given. There is nothing in the tens. So remember to write it in the ones place only. Let's begin now. 32 and 7 will be written in the ones column only because there is nothing in the tens place. So first we will add the ones. 2 and 7. 2 and 7, how much? Yes, 9. So we will write here 9. Now, what is left in the tens place? Only 3. So it will come as it is because there is nothing to add. Now, we will see the next example. 40 and 38. So let's write it first. 40 and 38. Always begin with the ones. So 0 plus 8. When 0 is added to any number, it gives the same number. So we will write here 8. And now we will add the tens number. 4 plus 3. How much does it becomes? Yes, 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So scholars, the remaining 2, you need to do it at home. Okay? So scholars, now we move on to page number 27. Here we will study about doubles and near to double. So first learn your doubles. Like 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. If you want to know the double of the number, you need to add that same number again. For example, if you want to know the double of 3, you need to add it again. So 3 plus 3, 6. If you want to know the double of 8, so you need to add it again. Like 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. And scholars, addition you have already learnt in grade 1. You can use your fingers to count. Like suppose if you want to know the double of 2. So again add 2 to the same number. You will get the double of 2. That is 4. Now to clearly understand the meaning of doubles and near to double, see this example. In the first box there are 3 dots. To know the double of 3, we will again add 3 more dots. That means the same number we will add. So we will get the double of 3. That is 6. But if we want to know the number near to double, instead of adding 3 again, we will add 1 more to that. That means plus 1, 4. We will add 4. So 3 dots will remain the same, and instead of adding 3 dots, we will add 1 more. That is 4. So we will get the answer 7, which is called near to double.
So scholars, now we will see this exercise given here. In the first column, we need to write the double, and in the second column, we need to write the near to double. So let's see the first number, 2. So what is the double of 2? You need to just add the same number again, like 2 plus 2. So students, count on your fingertips. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we need to know the number near to double. So in place of 2, we will add one more to 2. That is, it will become 3 here. So now add 2 and 3. What is the answer you will get? 5. So 5 is near to the double. Okay. Now see the next example. 4. Students, what is the double of 4? Just add the same number again. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we need to find out the number near to the double. So in place of 4, we will add one more to it. That is 5. So 4 plus 5 is how much? Count on your fingers. Yes, 4 plus 5 is 9. So we will write 9 here. Now see the double of 5. 5 plus 5. What is the double of 5? Yes, 10. Now to find out near to double, here, see in the next box nothing is given. We need to write. So, in the 5 plus 5, we have added 5. Now to find out the near to double, we will add one more to 5. So, we will add one more, so it will become 6. So, 5 plus 6, how much? Yes, 11. So, the number near to double is 11. So, this same way, you need to do the remaining one and try to practice it at home. So, scholars, now we move on to our next topic, that is adding 3 two-digit numbers. Now, see the question given here. Honeybees make honey by taking the nectar from flowers. 23 bees visited a flower garden in the morning, 12 came in the afternoon, and 24 came in the evening. How many bees visited the flower garden in all? Scholars, before doing the sum, first we need to understand this. So, look at this table given here. 23 honeybees visited the flower garden in the morning. Then, in the afternoon time, 12 more honeybees came and visited the flower garden. Then, in the evening, 24 honeybees came and visited the flower garden. So, we need to tell total how many honeybees visited the flower garden in all. Before starting with the addition, first we need to write the numbers one below the other according to the place value, and then we will add. So scholars, now we will see solution to this question. So first we need to arrange the numbers one below the other according to the place value. After arranging, now first we will start with adding the ones. Always remember, you should always begin the adding from the ones. So, before starting the addition, see the red boxes and the green boxes. The red boxes which you can see denote tens, and the green boxes which you can see denote ones. So, we will start the addition from the ones. How many are there? The numbers that are given here are 3, 2, 4. So first we need to add these three numbers. So count it on your fingers and tell me 3 plus 2 plus 4. So let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer that comes here is 9. Now we move on to step 2. That is add the tens. Now we will add the tens. So what are the digits that are given to us here? 2, 1, 2. So we need to count now these numbers. So let's count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. So in tens place we will write 5. So together the answer comes 59. Total 59 bees visited the flower garden in all. Now we move on to the next question. Look for doubles. Scholars, in this question we will learn if there are any doubles number given here, how to add them easily. So this is the one side and this is the tens. Always begin adding from the ones. So first look for the doubles. Is there any double number? Yes, 3 and 3. So first we will add these two numbers. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes. So we got 6. Now what is the remaining number that we have to add? 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So we will get the answer 8. The answer that we will get in the one side is 8. Now we will move on to step number 2. That is, now we need to add the tens. So first look for the doubles. Is there any doubles given here? No. 2, 4, 1. There is no doubles given here. So we just need to add it on our fingers. 2 plus 4 plus 1 gives 7. So we will write 7 here. So together the answer becomes 78. So scholars, the thing which you need to remember here is, first you need to arrange the numbers according to the place value, and then you can start adding from the ones, and then in the second step you will add the tens digit. And if there are any doubles, you can first add them and then move on to the next. So scholars, now we will move on to this exercise given here on page number 28. Exercise 2A. Scholars, hold a pencil in your hand. Add the following 2-digit numbers. So scholars, always remember, first arrange the numbers according to the place value and then start adding. But here the numbers are already arranged. We need to only add them. So the second thing that you need to keep in mind is always begin adding from the ones. So this is the ones and this is the tens. And one more thing, look for the doubles. It will make your addition easier. So let's look for the doubles first. Is there any? Yes. 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And what is the remaining number that we need to add? 7. So 2 plus 7. How much? You need to count it with your fingers. 9. Yes. So we will write 9 in the ones place. Now we will move on to the second step. That is, add the tens. First, look for the doubles. Is there any? Yes. 2 and 2. How much? 2 plus 2 is 4. And what is the remaining number that we need to add? 1. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. So we will write 5 in the tens place. This is the way we need to do these sums. Now we move on to the next question. 16 plus 22 plus 11. So start from the ones. Is there any double? No. So we will add on our fingers. 6 plus 2 plus 1. How much? Yes, 9. Now we will add the tens. Look for the doubles. Is there any double? Yes, 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 how much? 2. And what is the remaining number here? Again 2 only. So 2 plus 2 how much? 4. So we will write 4 in the tens place. So together the answer comes 49. Now we will see another example. 41, 30 and 16. So first we will begin with the ones and then we will begin, next step we will move on to the tens. Okay. So first look for the doubles. There is no double. So let's add it with the fingers. 1 plus 0. As I told you, if 0 is added to any number, it gives the same number. So 1 plus 0, 1 only. And 1 plus 6. Again, if 1 is added to any number, it will give the number after. So 7. Now we move on to the next step, that is add the tens. Look for the doubles. No, there are no doubles numbers. Now we will add 4 plus 3 plus 1. How much? Yes, 8. So together we will get 87. Now one more solution question we will see. 32 plus 13 plus 53. Start from the ones. Is there any double given here? Yes, 3. So first add 3 plus 3. It will give you 3 plus 3 is 6. And what is the remaining number? 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So we will write 8 in the ones place. And there are no doubles in the tens place. So just add with the fingers. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 5? 9. Yes. So together we will write 98. So scholars, the remaining question you can try it out at home. So scholars, this much for today. Now the remaining exercises we will cover in the next video. That is part 2 of chapter number 2. Till then, keep revising and practicing these exercises at home. So scholars, now let's do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. So the first point is changing the order of numbers while adding does not change the answer. If you change the order of the number, for example, 2 plus 5 will give 7. If you change the order, like 5 plus 2 will give the answer 7. The answer will remain the same. There will be no change. Second point is 0 added to any number gives the same number. If you add 0 to a number, it will give the same number. There will be no change in the answer. Next point is when you add 1 to a number, the answer is the number after. If suppose you add 1 to the number 8, so what will be the answer? The answer will be the number just after the number. Like if we are adding 1 to 8, so what comes after 8? 9. The answer will be 9. And one very important thing to remember is always start adding from the ones. So scholars, now keep practicing these at home. And all the worksheets and assignments related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.